In this video, I want to talk about how you can sell crypto from your eToro wallet. Now, if you just want to sell on your eToro account, go to a portfolio and close the trade in here. If you have the money on the eToro Money app, so your eToro wallet, what you need to do is you want to open up eToro Money. So download the app eToro Money, and once you've downloaded this, you want to log in to your eToro account, go to crypto, select the wallet that you want to sell from. So click on whatever in there, if you have Bitcoin, whichever one, click on sell. And once you've clicked on sell, you want to type in the amount, and then you can just review the details, confirm it, and you have now sold whatever crypto you chose. Now keep in mind, this can only be done from the eToro Money, which is your wallet, a separate wallet for eToro, if this is what you're using. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.